StockMarketLive.tv. The title of this presentation is How an Investment Bank Scams an Investor. I'm not referring to deceive an investor, I'm referring to scam an investor. When an investment bank has a strong buy rating in a company ahead of a crash and they know that a company or stock is a clear sell instead of a buying opportunity, the rating should be sell and not strong buy. So today we are going to discuss one more example with regards to an American company, Cons. And with regards to this company, you find the full investment process in the past 2 years and a half at StockMarketLive.tv. We downgraded shares within $68 to strong sell to $80 when Wall Street firms they had strong buy ratings, and more than downgraded to strong sell, we said that Cons share price was going to crash. It crashed a couple of years ago, all the way down to $14.70, and only then shares they became a buying opportunity. These calls they were made available at StockMarketLive.tv and recorded live, because unlike everyone else, we record everything live. Everything we do, we record live, and in most cases we offer these calls completely for free to investors. Last year in 2015, after shares rallied about 300%, we downgraded shares of this American company to junk. And this call was made available in an article. I wrote the article in August 2015, ahead of earnings, saying that you should, as an investor in this company, sell shares immediately, because we were selling short the stock heavily. In January 2016, that is 7 months later, you have shares of this company at $16.20. I repeat, within the past 7 months, you had plenty of time to sell shares of Cons, to sell short the stock, and to become a millionaire by doing so, according to the guidance given for free at StockMarketLive.tv, unlike others that they maintained strong buy ratings in Cons with price targets above $52. The most recent article that you find on the web with regards to this matter, an investment bank, in December 2015, I repeat, December 2015, I'm going to refer to this article made available on December 11 on Benzinga, a scam website in the United States. And the title is the following: Colossal long-term growth potential for Cons, says Piper Jaffray analyst. Piper Jaffray is the same company that had a strong buy rating in the other American company, Groupon, where we had a junk rating ahead of a crash. Groupon crashed, they maintained a strong buy rating, shares they crashed. In Cons, they said that Cons was a colossal long-term growth opportunity at $27. Today, you have shares at $16. Do I have to say more? So the shares of this company went from $80 all the way down to $16.20. Where do you find this information as a potential investor in the markets? Well, I'm going to show you here. I'm going to, in first place, to position myself in order to help you to visualize this. And you have this article written, as I said, in August 2015 in our blog, and the title is How to Invest in Cons for Hedge Fund Managers. Hedge fund managers, they dumped shares of Cons. You have it here. this video, you play the video, and the video was recorded when shares they were trading around $41 to $43. Do I have to say more? You continue, you play other video, and then you refer to the chart in cons in the past 7 months. No matter which price you bought cons, you lost all your money. And if you refer to the articles where I discuss never to get involved with Yahoo or to participate in message boards, well, you are aware that 95% of investors in cons, they have been bullish this stock, and the company, as I said, fraudulent business model, it was going to collapse. Moreover, before the end of the year, you also find articles on the website made available to you for free, saying that the shares or the stock market was going to correct significantly or even to crash. Why were you going to buy shares of this company if they were going to crash? If I had a strong sell rating in Apple, leading company in the world, and I said that shares they were going to crash. So between both, and if Apple was going to crash, what do you think that was going to happen to cons or to Groupon or to other companies? That they were going to fly to the moon or to rally? Or that Piper Jaffray analyst was going to be right about it if they never made a good call in the markets? I don't know, I'm making a question. Because these calls, these articles are there, made available for free, I repeat, posted in real time. And the videos, they contain the calls at the turning points in these stocks. And we are the only company in the world that can prove these claims, because we have the full investment process in cons. So if I said that you could not trust the management of this company, if I said that this is a scam, you had to sell shares of the company and you had to go short, as it was my personal recommendation. I wrote the articles, I put there my name, and we have several offers, as you are aware of. If I put there my name, if I said that shares were going to collapse, they are going to collapse. If I said that instead of a strong sell rating, the rating in cons was junk, they were going to collapse. If I said that Chipotle was going to crash, to sell short the most in a decade, obviously something was going to happen. It was not going to fly to the moon, right? So instead of the colossal long-term growth potential for cons, you had a stock market crash. Do you really believe that the analysts consider that cons was a buying opportunity or investment opportunity? Or that the American hedge fund manager, David Highorn, who invested in this company, believing also that was an investment opportunity, do you know what happened to him? Do you know what happened to this position that he had? Do you know how much money he lost? Just give him a call or Google it and you are going to find it. Because this information was made available for free more than 1 year ago here at stockmarketlive.tv. So if you are looking to know how to invest successfully in the markets, it's not certainly about reading books or being plugged on TV watching CNBC or CNN or watching Jim Cramer or what Piper Jaffray has to say with regards to how to invest in cons or in Apple or any other company, GoPro, and so on. Well, having said this, I repeat, you have here the article that I've just showed to you. You can read it. The title is How to Invest in Cons for hedge fund managers, August 2015. Before I terminate, since I wish to be fast, no one is paying me to do this, there is other article made available to small investors and this one to subscribers. And the title of the article is "To be American is to be stupid." Here is the mathematical proof. And if you are a subscriber, you log into the website, you type this article, you read the article, I repeat, and the article mentions one company and one company only. And the name of this company is Cons. Strong seller rating, crash, collapse, Cons, September 2nd, 2015. So the question is, even if you tell me, or if you ask me, or if you, that's what you eventually could say, Alex, I already know that I cannot trust investment banks, but the question that I have for those that they already know it, so they say, is show me the money. How much have you done selling short Cons? I'm going to repeat again to be clear. How much have you done selling short Cons? Cons is one of the companies in the US stock market, one of the worst performers in the US stock market, collapsed. How much have you done selling short Cons? I call the crash in the US stock market in more than 100 companies. All of them, they crashed. The question is always the same. How much have you done selling short Cons? If you knew that was going to happen, if you knew that you cannot trust Piper Jaffray or any other stock analyst, if that is your claim, the question is how much have you done selling short Cons? Because if you have not done anything, you have shown that you are, I'm sorry to say that, but the truth has to be said, completely incompetent, of the same nature as Piper Jaffray stock analyst. Both completely useless. You might dislike to listen to these comments, but I'm not here to please to you, since I don't have anything to gain with it, but instead to tell the truth, all right? So, congratulations to all those investors that they have been following my personal guidance on how to invest in Cons for the past 2 years now. And for the rest of you, well, contact Piper Jaffray or David Highhorn, and they eventually might help you with regards to your losing position in Cons if you have not lost all your money already in the markets. Thank you and good luck going forward. Thank you.